have a problem.
And the problem is that sometimes, despite looking good, people ruin their first impression by using these 7 phrases that I'm going to tell you today in this video, so that you don't ruin your first impression when you are meeting someone new. And do watch out for the last 2 phrases towards the end of the video, because those are extremely common and people use them without even realizing its impact on the other person. I will also be announcing the names of those 3 lucky winners who have won the free face shape analysis. So do watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't already, because this channel aims at enhancing your style, behavior and confidence. Hi.
Hey.
Moments later. More moments later.
A simple hi and then a full stop leaves a complete silence in the room, and you don't want to be on either of such sides. So do add a question if you are the one who has initiated that hello. And if you haven't initiated that hello, you had reciprocated, then you can add a question like, how are you? How's your life going on? Or if you are in a gathering, just ask that person, how do you know each other? What do you think of this event? A question after the greeting makes you look more confident, open and friendly in your behavior. Sorry for taking your time. Can I talk to you? Saying sorry implies that you are going to waste their time, and it instantly gives an impression that you are not confident about the conversation that you're going to have, because you are already saying sorry. So you are apologetic of the fact that you are going to waste their time. This way you also put them on a pedestal and on a defense mode. So they would be like,
talk to the hand.
And they won't be interested in talking to you. So why leave such a bad impression? Why should you say sorry even before you start? Instead, you can say sentences like, I really appreciate that you took time for this. Or if the person is really busy, then you can say that I'll be real quick in telling you about so and so thing because I value your time. No, that's not possible. I can't do that. I don't think so it's possible. I wonder why people use these sentences, because this gives an indication that they are not confident about themselves, their capabilities and their skills.
That's right.
I personally believe that everything is possible if you set your mind on it. So I would recommend you not to use such phrases. Instead, you can say something wherein you are giving an alternate way of achieving the same task in a better way. Nice to see you. If you don't want to ruin your first impression, don't say nice to see you.
But why?
See, the thing is that when you meet someone for the first time, you say nice to meet you and not nice to see you. When you say nice to see you, it implies that you already know that person. You've met that person before. So it might be a grammatical mistake on your part, but it can be perceived as an insincere attempt to show your familiarity with that person, to show that you already know that person. And this can be detrimental to your first impression, because that person might think that you are trying to be too friendly, or you're trying to show it to others that you know this person. So to avoid having that person distrust you, it's good to say nice to meet you. Don't try to show the other person that you kind of recognize him or her and say nice to see you. Instead, it's better to accept the fact that you haven't recognized that person and say, even if you think that you know this person, just say, I think we have met before, or maybe I've seen you, but I am unable to recall your name. So how much money do you make? Don't even think of asking that question. because it's chronically rude to inquire someone's financial status. Even worse are questions like, when are you getting married? Or, oh, why did you guys separate? Or, are you pregnant? Especially when the person has gained weight. So why do you have to put your foot in your mouth? These questions create very embarrassing situations. So I'm sure you don't want to get into a situation like that. So avoid asking questions like these. Dale Carnegie, the author of How to Win Friends and Influence People, said that a person's name to him or her is the sweetest and the most important sound in any language. But sometimes people pronounce others' names incorrectly.
No, it's Pam.
I'm sorry. Well, Pan.
No, my name is Pam.
Are you saying Pan or Pam?
I'm saying Pam.
Or they just make it short as per their own convenience.
Mr. Matsuhisu.
Matsumoto.
Moto. Martha, can I call you Martha?
No, you may not.
If you haven't got the name correctly, ask them to spell it out. And then you also say the name again and try to remember it for the rest of the conversation.
What? Your name's Baby. B-A-B-Y, baby.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
When you're meeting someone for the first time, your aim is to create an excellent impression on that person. So when you are asked a question, how are you doing? And you say, I'm fine, then it will not coincide with your aim, because your aim is to create an excellent impression, a great impression. So answer by saying, I'm doing great, or I'm doing fantastic, excellent, amazing. And also reflect it in your tonality and your expressions. By just saying fine, you will put yourself in a list of people who are fine and people don't really remember them. But if you want to be remembered and if you want to have that extraordinary effect of yours on people, then say it.
I'm doing good, I'm doing great, alright.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up because your support matters to me a lot. And now it's time for me to announce the winners. Pragya Agarwal, Uma Arora and Amit Gupta. Congratulations. Now you have to send me a headshot of yours. A front and a side profile picture. You can DM me on my Instagram, shubhajoshi_the_image_launchpad, and I'll be coming up with more giveaways and exciting contests like these. So do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because unless you hit that bell icon, you won't come to know that I have uploaded a new video. So hit that bell icon along with the subscribe button, and
I'll be back.
next week on Sunday at 9 p.m. Till then, you take care and keep enhancing your style, behavior, and confidence.